Hello, this video will cover carrier rate management. Carrier rates are rates that you receive from your termination providers, and the system has automated tools to upload those rates, look up every code and assign rate to it, and also copy exact destination naming into billing system. So when you compare bills from your provider and your internal ones, you should get exact same copy with same destination names and code distribution. To manage carrier rates, we would go to Billing menu, Carrier Rates, and we have two more options here. One is to look up the rates, compare them between each other, and also modify quality flag. The other is Upload carrier rates. That's where we're going to spend our time in this video. Upload carrier rates is a menu that uploads pre-formatted CSV file, and CSV stands for comma separated values. The file that you need to upload must be in specific format. For you, we have a tool, it's an Excel macro, that will convert any type of Excel file that you receive from your provider into correct format. At the end of this tutorial, I will show you how we apply this rate reformat tool. Now back to uploading procedure. We upload carriers based on carrier, i.e. provider. So we can pick one. We browse to a file that we want to upload. Again, that must be a CSV file, best pre-formatted by the tool. And then we need to decide what type of upload it is. We have three different options. First is rate amend. You use rate amend when you upload incomplete rate offer changes. For example, that is number N billing period with your provider. They send you few code updates. Price goes up here, price goes down there. They do not replace totally the offering. They just amending it. That's the time when you're going to use the rate amend. The special thing about this option is when you uploaded it, system will compare the newly uploaded rates and codes against those that existed before for this carrier. It will also give you a table that would display all the differences that system noted. When the price goes up, when the price goes down, it would also show you what changes there are and whether there are any errors. By errors, it could be something as obvious as they want to increase the rate, but it's past date. For the initial time and for all the times when your providers fully replace your rate offering on the one fixed date, we suggest to use reload. When you select the reload option, you will see that effective date column appears. This is the effective date for all the reloads that you're going to do. Now here in reload we have two sub options. One called replace all, and this will replace everything that we had, all the countries, all the codes. We will retire them, so we don't delete them, but we keep them in the history, and we'll build a totally new table. It is important that you certain that you're loading a complete offer. Otherwise, not all destinations will be able to properly classify for the carrier, and you might see destination called unknown. The other option is replace uploaded countries only. That best applies when provider does not replace the entire list, but they say, let's say Bulgaria had so many code changes, some codes are retired, some codes are added, some codes are moving from one destination name to another destination name. This is when we suggest to use reload for uploaded countries only. System will look up country code or country codes that are in the list, and the replace all function will be applied only to those countries. Be careful with countries that have shared dialing codes, like 7, Russia, Kazakhstan, and 1, US, Canada, and Caribbean. It's because system acts on the country code, you would need to put all those countries together to have a proper reload. Once we are uploading the countries, we also see progress bar, how they uploaded, and we can always go back into history and see what was there. To look up the history, we can just click refresh here. And now we see the uploads as they were taking place. Here we can see the differences, whether it's a rate amend or reload. We have status here. Status processed OK means that everything went smoothly. If any problems happen, you can click on this line and click on show errors. And now let's review how Reformat tool for Excel is working. When you receive a rate update from your provider, you open it in Excel as usual, and this tool will work in any Microsoft Excel, either under Mac OS or Windows or Linux. You click with the right mouse button and you will find a format for rate reload option here. All we need to do is to assign certain lines and columns to corresponding data. So we say data starts at Stu, destination name is in column B, pricing is in column D, effective date is in column E, country code merged with national code is in column A, and you'll see if you got a rate update that country is separate, then you can use this option and choose 2 columns. We have billing increment merged in cell G. There is no time of day rate, so we got everything from Monday to Sunday. And for the quality flag, we can leave it blank, or usually if you have a column where quality is defined, and this definition may be in a free text, something like CLI or direct, you just pick that column and map those names values to a number from 0 to 9, where 0 is the not working route and 9 is a perfectly working route. Once you're done with this mapping, we click Start. System starts processing it and creates file on your desktop. CSV file in the format ready for upload. This is that easy. Thank you.